Hello, so this is YoYo, and this is String Trick Episode 2. Anyways, I'm going to show you what the man on the flying trapeze looks like. And you throw it at the beginning you throw it like a breakout, like pretty much every string trick, I'm pretty sure. And then you'll catch it on your finger and have it landed on the string. And I'm going to show you what that looks like. Not good. I mean, you can go like this if you want, but you don't really have to do the movement. I can show you one that doesn't have the movement as well. Here, that's one that doesn't have the movement. And if you aren't as good at throwing the breakout as powerful yet, then I'd recommend not moving the string, because otherwise it'll just not come back when you throw it up in the air. Because if you don't have a powerful enough swing, then it just won't come back. Anyways, YoYo out.